At a party, 28 handshakes took place. Each person shook hands exactly once with each of the others present. How many people were at the party? So this is a tricky question. Basically, handshakes, if we wanted 28 handshakes, let's suppose, let me show you, let's suppose, let me just take a guess. Let's suppose there were 10 people at the party. If I'm just guessing, just taking a total guess. So I'm doing this problem. I'm going to guess that there were 10 people at the party. If there were 10 people at the party, then I would have 10 blanks here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I would have 10 blanks, and there would be, if I want to know all, what I'm trying to figure out is if you have 10 different people, at the party, how many different ways, let me write this, how many different ways to choose 2 people to shake hands together? So how many different ways? You could say I'm going to have, I'm going to go hand and hand. 4 and 7. 4 and 7 are going to shake hands while everybody else does not. That would be one way. Put a box around that. That would be the first way. And then we could have another way. Let me show you another. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can have the 10 people. And I'm going to pick 2 to shake hands. I'm going to say number 2 shakes hands with number 6. And the rest of the people are not shaking hands right now. So I'm just kind of having them do their handshaking sort of one at a time right now. In no real organized fashion. This is a second way, and it's etc. So to get the idea, I'm just saying, hey, I want to find out all the different, I want everybody to shake hands with everybody. So here's one way I could do it. I could say, okay, there's 10 people. If there is 10, I'm guessing at 10. I don't know yet. If there were 10 people at the party, I'm saying, I could have number 4 and number 7 shake hands right now. Everybody else is not shaking hands. Or I could have 2 and 6 shaking hands. Everybody else, etc. Every way that I could pick 2 H's out of these 10, that's a handshake between 2 people. So if I can count all the different ways of picking 2 H's, that's all the different ways of having 2 people shake hands. So can we do that? I think we can. So find the total number of ways to order these 10 letters, right? There's 10 letters here where we've got 2 H's, 2 people are shaking hands, and 8 N's, 8 people are not shaking hands. All the ways you can put those 2 H's in order and is going to be a way that 2 people can shake hands. So if you count all the ways, you've counted all the handshakes. So what would that be? Remember, you know the formula here. It's n factorial over n1 factorial, n2 factorial, where these are the repeats down below. Whoops. The repeats, etc. And this is the total number on the top. So this is going to be 10 factorial over 2 factorial, 8 factorial. And so what does that equal? It's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 over 2 times 1, and then 8 factorial is 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 there. And you can see what what's gonna cancel here? 8 on down, and so we're left with a little far there. 8 on down. If you multiply this out, you're going to get 45 handshakes. 45 handshakes. So if you had 10 people, how many ways are there to pick two H's? There's 45 different ways, meaning 45 different people would shake hands. If you did all the combinations of two H's, there'd be 45 handshakes. Is that how many we had? No, they said there was only 28 handshakes. Only 28. So my guess at 10, I guessed at 10 must be too much. Let me guess at something lower. Let me guess at 9. So if I guess at 9, we're talking about 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Talking about 9 digits here. And we're going to put in 2 handshakes again, and all the rest are not shaking hands. So how many ways, if you have 9 people, the number of ways to order the 9 letters, 2 H's, 7 N's, right? All those are handshakes between 2 people. We're trying to find out how many total handshakes, how many total ways to have the 2 H's out of 9. Well, you know the formula, 9 factorial over 2 factorial, 7 factorial. So I'm just guessing right now. That'd be 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 over 2 times 1, and then 7 factorial. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 7 on down cancels. 9 times would be 36 handshakes. There'd be 36 different handshakes. Is that what it was supposed to be? Oh no, 28. Only 28 handshakes. All right, let's guess again. So I'm just guessing here. We got to go lower. We know we need to go lower. Let's try what? So we guessed at 10, 9, let's guess at 8. So that's, do you see the pattern? It's going to be 8 letters, 2 handshakes, 6 no handshakes. So it's going to be 8 factorial over 2 factorial, 6 factorial. It's going to be 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. By the way, I'm doing this very differently than Math Excel. Again, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. These would cancel. There it is. There'd be 28 handshakes. So if you had 8 people at the party, and you're going to pick 2 to shake hands, all the different ways you could pick 2 H's and 6 N's to put them in order would be 28. All those are handshakes. There'd be 28 different handshakes. There must have been 8 people at that party. So by just guessing around, I think that's the best way rather than using a formula on this one. You can just tell when you need to go higher or lower.